So do you remember 239 bug from Inventor 2017 when it was not 2019 when it was not possible to solve a simple assembly with flexible clamp? Well, I have reported that, and I got the answer, so it works. Supposedly works in Inventor 2020. So once I had time, I did try, and obviously the reality turned out not to be as nice as Autodesk claims. So this is video of the same bug 239 from Inventor 2020. So basically this tube, this pipe is placed using the clamps, and this tube is exactly on the opposite. So this clamp should be able to solve itself once axial mate is applied between the axis of the clamp and the axis of the tube. And how this works in Inventor 2020. So if I select the axis of the clamp first and then axis of the tube, initially this constraint is applied. If I select first axis of the tube and then axis of the clamp, obviously it still doesn't work. But let's give it a chance. Let's apply the constraint in the way it works. So initially it works, but now let's try to edit this constraint and just change the direction. And now what the solution is, instead of just rotating the clamp along the pin the pin axis, it just flips it around without big sense. And also what is noticeable is that in the process this clamp itself is solved badly, because this bolt, this one, is now turned opposite to what it should be. So it should be aligned with the nut. So currently this still does not work in Inventor 2020. So flexibility, I'm not claiming there isn't any change, because there is. Oh no, why? There is some change, but still it's not working, and currently it doesn't even inconsistent relationship. Oh, of course it is inconsistent relationship because you solve it bad. So no, it is not working.